vlog. So for today's video, we are going to follow Polly Packet's savings, and it's going to be a different kinds of envelope, which is I bought this for 3 pesos each, and then the envelopes has its amounts or values that if chosen, we're going to put the amount in the video. I mean, in the envelope. So let's try. So this is inspired by Polly Packet, a TikToker or a vlogger. In um, one of her videos or TikTok, which gave her dream car and her dream Polly Pocket house. So this is also inspired by another vlogger, which is a kid. For me, this is very inspiring. It's not with the age, or it's not about if you're young, if you're old, you can do whatever you can grab your dreams, chase your dreams by saving up for it and being thrifty and disciplining yourself with, you know, little by little, you can do your savings. So let's start with, or we're gonna try to do the Polly Packet savings. So we can go to Europe this year. So yeah, let's try. For my first savings, it's gonna be 20 pesos. Let's put 20 pesos here from my little wallet. So I got this 20 pesos here. At first I see this as very childish, guys, but it still depends on you if anong trip mo sa buhay, di ba? So I'm gonna put this first savings that we got in our Polly Pocket box. Next is last two envelopes. It's 150 pesos. So let's put 150, 100, 50. So this goal is gonna be for my Europe trip. Next is gonna put another envelope. I'm gonna do this every week, guys, or every day. Oops, I'm not sure if my money is enough here, but yeah, get 100. This is actually very, very inspiring, huh? And it's very entertaining, guys. At first, I felt like a childish money man, but no, it is not. It's really like serious, and it's so fun. Let's see if my 100 I'll put it on my savings, because usually I put it on this racket bag. I got 1P because we put already another 130. So we got 130 already. We'll find 70 na lang. Oh shit. Sorry. We got 40. We got 50. 60. We're just gonna add another 40 later, guys, if you find one. But at least, little by little, we got our savings. Diba? It's so fun. We get 160 here. We'll just find another 40 pesos later. So that's it for today for our Polly Pocket Savings Challenge.